DataSnipper's mission has always been to make the job of the audit and finance team as easy, as error-free as possible. And we use technology and the best of AI every step of the way. And so it's been a very natural evolution of how DataSnipper has evolved as more and more exciting technologies have become available. So to begin with, we were using AI to extract data and bring it to Excel. Then we were allowing you to analyze documents at scale using AI. Agentic AI is now the natural progression of your abilities, where you can treat your Excel agent as a junior analyst on the team. You can assign them a series of tasks. You can watch as that work is being done. You can approve or reject work at every step of the way. And you can really focus then on verifying the final product instead of worrying about the accuracy of the work performed. And so what we really want to do with more and more of these technologies that we're bringing out in DataSnipper is put the audit and finance team in charge of the evaluation and the strategic analysis of the work, rather than the grunt work of following very manual steps to actually do the analysis. With this, we hope that auditors can play at the next level of strategy and guidance for their end clients.